Hey guys, it's Sheridan here at the Panhandle-Plains Historical Museum, and today we have brought you a fun pumpkin door hanger craft for National Pumpkin Day. All you need are 10 popsicle sticks, one cut in half, a pipe cleaner, and I did green, markers, tape, or glue. I am going to use tape for the video purposes, but you can use glue. So for the popsicle sticks, you need to lay 8 right next to each other, just like this. And then you're going to put one large popsicle stick, the 9th popsicle stick, across those popsicle sticks laid out next to each other. I'm going to tape them. Next, you have your half popsicle stick, and you're going to put it on the opposite side. So you're making an X on the back of the popsicle sticks. Okay, now I'm going to turn it over. Once I turn it over, I'm going to color it orange. So quickly color it orange. You can use Sharpies, you can use washable markers, you can use paint, whatever you feel like using to make your pumpkin orange. And then you can use the black to make a fun face. You can make it scary, smiling, whatever you want to do. No teeth, some teeth. Making a fun jack-o'-lantern. After you have it colored, you're going to shape your pipe cleaner, and you're going to make it kind of like a circle, like a half circle. And you're going to tape or glue the ends to the back side of your pumpkin. If you need a parent's help, this would be a good time to ask so that you can get the right shape. So once you're done, they should look like this. And it's going to hang on your doorknob, your refrigerator, whatever you want to put it on. And we hope you have a fun National Pumpkin Day.